Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here again with me with new video. Today we are going to talk about the matter you watched in the short video clip couple of seconds before. Yes, today we are going to talk about the notice. Do you know that how many kinds of notices are there? There are different kinds of notices which we use in our daily life in different government offices, different institutions for different purposes. Like judicial notice, administrative notice, actual notice, constructive notice, public notice, previous notice, resignations notice. Right? Not only that, but also there are different kinds of other notices which we use, which many government institutions and non-governmental institutions use in their different purpose. Do you think that there is any relevance with the notice which we want in our examinations? I do think it means we need to go a little further. We want to know more. See, notice is a kind of formal communication in which we target some specific person and audience. And apart from this, notice is a news article that informs individual about any incident and events. Not only that, notices can include announcement, issuing invitations, appeals, instruction, etc. Generally, we saw that notices are displayed in the public notice board so that people can see information easily from there. And there are many other kind of informations which we publish in the newspaper, and large number of informations from the government side published in the big and well-known newspapers so that people can easily see that. Right, now let's go a little more further in the notice. Dear student, there are so many activities that occur throughout the year in any institution and in any school, right? And we write notice for the school notice board to draw the attention of those interested students who want to take part in the various activities of the school, right? There are the activities like we want to organize some NSS camps, some NCC camps, and now there are some sports activities. There are some activities in which culture sports meets are being organized with the school, and sometimes we want to organize some other cultural activities to collect the fund, and sometimes we are celebrating some special occasions. So for all these purposes, we write notice to the school notice board so that all the students can see these informations easily. Right? I will show you through my whiteboard that what are those important things to write appropriate and effective notice so that you can use it, you can apply all these tricks in examinations to get all full 5 marks. See here over the whiteboard. Whenever you want to draw the attention of your student in regard of these activities, you want to involve your student in the different activities of the school and in any institution. So, notice is the best way out to know about, right? All the interested student can get information from the school notice board that what kind of activities are going to organize by our units like NSS unit, right? NCC unit, Red Cross unit. There are so many others, cultural units, right? So here, dear student, it is very important not only to see that there is information about these activities. Actually, because you want to get 5 marks in your examination, so you should follow 7 very important steps to write effective notice. See, number 1, authority name. See, you are using the school board, notice board, right? Who can be the authority? And under this, who is issuing? NSS unit, Red Cross unit, cultural unit, and other unit of the school. So they will be the authority here, right? Along with that, you will use the name of your school. So authority name ये आ गया यहाँ पे. Number two, you will write the notice because you are issuing some notice. You are pasting some notice information in that. Okay. Next one is the date. Afterward, date, and then you will write the title of your information, what information you want to cater into and within the student. Okay. Next, main content. Right? Title is here means clear. जो information आपने देनी है, जिस बारे में देनी है, उसका title आएगा. Now the main content is here. Whenever you are using that body, the main body of your material, you should be very much careful using appropriate use of when, where, who, whom. These are very important. Appropriate use of at, on and in. See, at is always uses for what purpose? Time को point करता है कि कब शुरू होने वाला है आपका particular program. दूसरा, on here means pointing towards some dates. किसी मंथ का डेट जो हमारा मंथ का है और वीक का जो डे का जो नाम होता है on before this. And the last one is the in. In is the used for what purpose? Yes, we use in for indicating the place, that which place, कौन सी जगह पे होने जा रहा है, right? And afterward there are some important the complementary clauses here, right? Who are you? Head boy, head girl, president, chairman. And the next one is the name and signatures. You can write your name, sign, etc. Dear student, these are very important 7 steps to write effective notice. Now I will show you 1 or 2 format of the notice. See the format here. Sports unit, Government Model Girls Senior Secondary School, ABC. This is the issuing authority here. Number 2 is the notice. Notice you will write in the capital letter, then date, then you are writing the title. Sports meet, actually you are going to organize, because this is the sports unit and sports unit want to organize the sports meet. So organize sports meet. Now main body. Notice is hereby given that. Notice is hereby given that. This is very important line here to mention in the notice, right? That sports unit of school are going to organize sports meet at 11. See, before 11 I wrote at likha hai, right? On Thursday, before the name of the day I write here, I wrote on. And afterward there is the use of in just before the place, right? In the school campus. All the interested students who wanted to take part in the meet and the sports meet can give their name to the undersigned. Let me make it clear to you that what is undersigned here. Undersigned is the head boy, head girl, right? Because you are appealing the student to submit their name, those who are interested to take part, right? Undersigned as soon as possible till April 28th, 2021, or you can write as soon as possible till 28th of this month. Now, next one is here, number 6 page. You can write your name, right? Or you can write, your the complementary clause like head boy and head girl. You can write. That's up to you. So these are 6 and 7 number here, and let me show you one more format here. Let's say the second question here. Our second question is that we want to organize some cultural activities to collect funds to help the flood victims. And in these questions, we are going to follow the same thing in the same pattern and appropriate use of what, when, why, where, whom, and appropriate use of in, on, at. Right? See, cultural unit. This is the cultural unit of our school. Right? Name of the school is along. See, I want to make one thing very clear to you, that this is not essential to write the cultural unit always. Because the name of school is sufficient, because this is the school who has issued it. Because at the last of this notice, you are writing here टाइटल वो तो लिख ही रहे हो आप, राइट? सो नो नीड टू राइट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट इज द नोटिस title, the date. Then you are writing the title because you want to raise the fund. Next one is notice is hereby given. I added one more line here. यहाँ line add करी है to notify all students. You have to write one of it. या ये या फिर या. It is stated that school is arranging or organizing the culture festa and program in the coming days so that the funds for victim of a flood can be collected. Okay, all the interested students can submit their name to the undersigned. Who is undersigned? Head boy or head girl, right? Those who is behind to issuing this order and this notice, right? कब करना है? Their names to the undersigned as soon as possible till 25th of this month. Program will start at 10 a.m. Where? When? On Sunday. And where? In the auditorium, which will last till 4 p.m. at the same day. Shall you see then? ABC. This is your name. And the last one is your head boy and head girl. So see, you can write these two vice versa. That is up to you. That which one you want to write first. आप अपने टाइटल लिखना चाहते हो? Because this is your designation in the unit. That's why you can write your designation first and then your name. And you can write your name first and then designation. That's all up to you. That's it, dear student. That was about the notice writing. And I hope this will help you a lot. There may be different kind of questions and there may be many questions on the same pattern there in the questions paper which you have to write according to this pattern. You surely and definitely will get your 5 full marks. Dear students, very soon I'll be here with new videos with some other topic. Right? Till then, stay blessed. Thank you.